This video shows how to turn PayPal onto Sandbox mode for testing or onto live mode for live transactions when people are registering for our events. So this is for Gene Foster. We're on the test page right now. So for this form, we want to turn it on to Sandbox mode. So we're going to go to WordPress, the main WordPress page, and go down here to Forminator Pro, Forms, and we're looking for the Gene Foster registration, which is this one down here. This is just a copy in case something happens to the working one, that we have a copy we can start working on instead of having to rebuild from scratch. Let's go down here to edit, and under fields, if you go down towards the bottom, there's this field for PayPal. Click on that, and right here is the option for Sandbox mode, which it's on, or live. We want to leave it on Sandbox since we're still testing, but if you want to turn it live, you just click that button and hit apply down here. So we're going to leave it on Sandbox mode. When I test it live, I always run a dollar transaction through just to make sure it's working through PayPal. And you do that by changing the payment amount from variable, which right now is on total price. It calculates what the price should be based on if people are choosing mulligans or dinners, and if they have more than one person, we're just going to change it to fixed, and then just put $1 in. So when you run it on live mode as a test, you only get charged $1, but we want to change that back to total price and go back to Sandbox mode. So we're still testing. Hit apply. And anytime you make changes, you have to hit publish changes up here for it to actually go through. And that's it. So we're still on Sandbox mode.